In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on eBay with no money using CJ Dropshipping. By the end, you'll have your CJ Dropshipping account connected to your eBay store and a product listed, all without paying upfront for inventory. First, open your CJ Dropshipping account in your browser. If you're new, sign up for a free account and log in. Keep your eBay seller account ready in another tab so you can move through the connection smoothly. On the left panel inside CJ, look for the section where you can install apps or integrations. Click the option to install an app, select eBay from the list, and proceed with the install. This begins linking CJ to your eBay store so products and details can sync correctly. Next, click that same app icon again, choose eBay, and hit Authorize. Follow the prompts on your screen to approve the connection. You'll be guided through eBay's authorization flow. Make sure you're signed into the correct eBay account and review the permissions so CJ can manage listings on your behalf. When the authorization completes, you should see a confirmation that your eBay store is connected. Now return to your CJ Dropshipping dashboard and go to the product section. Browse or search for a product you want to sell. Look for items with clear images, reliable shipping options, and competitive supplier pricing so you can build a healthy margin. When you find the right product, click List and choose eBay as the destination. You'll now fill in your listing details. Select your eBay store name from the drop-down. Write a clear, keyword-rich title that accurately reflects the product and its main benefits. Add relevant tags to help with search visibility. Move to variant pricing and set your selling price for each variant, keeping an eye on your profit after eBay and payment fees. Then choose your images and, if available, videos. Prioritize high-quality visuals that show the product from multiple angles. Finally, review and edit the description so it's accurate, concise, and easy to read. Highlight key features, materials, dimensions, and what buyers can expect in the package. Make sure everything aligns with eBay policies. Once everything looks good, click List Now. CJ will push the product to your eBay store. Give it a moment to process, and then your listing will be live and ready for customers. That's it. You've connected CJ Dropshipping to eBay and listed your first product with no upfront inventory cost. Repeat this flow for more products, stay consistent with quality listings, and you'll set yourself up for dropshipping success.